I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use red bricks in Lego Avengers. Red bricks are unique collectibles that unlock a variety of helpful cheats and modifiers, making your adventure much more exciting. These special items are cleverly hidden across the game's expansive open-world areas and within its engaging story levels. Finding and collecting them is key to unlocking their powerful benefits, which can greatly enhance your overall gameplay experience. To find red bricks, you will need to thoroughly explore every corner of the game's vibrant open-world hubs. Many are also discovered by completing specific challenges, side missions, or bonus levels. Remember to utilize the unique abilities of different characters to access previously unreachable areas, as some bricks are cleverly hidden behind environmental puzzles. Persistence and keen observation are your best tools for uncovering these valuable collectibles. After you have successfully located a red brick, your next step is to purchase it. Head to the Helicarrier or Avengers Tower Hub to buy the brick using your collected studs. Once purchased, simply pause the game and navigate to the Extras menu. Here, you can toggle on any of your acquired red bricks, instantly activating their unique effects, such as a 2x stud multiplier for quicker currency gathering. Among the most popular red bricks are the stud multipliers, which can multiply your stud collection by 2, 4, 6, 8, or even 10 times, making it much easier to afford everything. Other incredibly useful bricks include the minikit detector, which points out all 10 minikits in every level, and the character token detector, guiding you to every hidden character token. These bricks truly streamline your progress.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.